Hi everyone. How to enable System Restore Point on Windows 11 Tense. Open the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Click on the Create a Restore Point app from the results to open System Properties. Then, click on the System Protection tab. After that, under the System Protection section, select the primary system drive and click the Configure button. Select the Turn on System Protection from the available options. Finally, click on Apply and then the OK button. Quick tips: Windows 11 10 can automatically manage the space. However, under the Disk Space Usage section, you can also use the slider to specify the maximum storage capacity to reserve for System Restore. Once you complete the above steps, Windows 10 will automatically start creating a restore point when a new update or specific system changes are made. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.